Again?
I
Again?
can't get my finger in here.
So, you need help then. Ha! How many times you need to rebot that thing?
Remove the SIM card
Push
for 30
it.
seconds.
1, 2, I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30!
Insert it.
Answered it.
No.
And what next?
Ah.
If he keep doing that to you, he keep doing that and
they're
nothing
obviously
happened.
going through some diagnostics.
Diagnostic. It's their system. Not diagnostic. You can see.
No, I can't get even that.
It's because you need to use your data. Your data. Wala na.
I
Dagan.
know that.